Come along with me as I finish this giant noodle with egg. Charot! Hindi mo kakainin yun. So, we're here now at Chinese Star Restaurant here in Al Ghurair, Dubai. And we will be having our hot pot dinner. And ayan na, maninimbang na po tayo ng mga squid balls. And syempre, yung favorite ko, I don't know, nalimutan ko na yung tawag. Pero meron akong natikman dyan na isang balls na puro cheese. Ang sarap. Promise, new favorite ko yun. And then ayan, titimbangin na po natin magkano ang inabot. Hindi ko na nakuhanan kung magkano ang inabot. Pero sobrang mura lang yan, guys. And ang sarap kasi sila na mismo yung magtitimpla ng soup nun. Sa Chinese Star, iba-iba yung choices of food. But more of Asian cuisine lang. And then, ayun, ang go-to namin dito is hot pot talaga and chicken, spicy